Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in NX. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using NX. While modeling this is the dimension we are going to use it. This is the isometric view. The same component we are going to model in the NX. While modeling any component in NX, first do the add material feature, then go for the remove material feature. Let's get started. Just go to the file, new. Here we are going to do model. Our units are in millimeter. Choose millimeter. Specify the file name. Specify the folder location. Then OK. Now, for easy modeling, I am just keeping this diagram on the left side. First, I am going to start with these two cylinders. Go to the sketch. Front plane. Say OK. First take the circle, just putting the circle. The circle with the diameter is, here you can see the radius they have provided. The radius is 16, so the diameter will be 16 plus 16. Say yes, press the roller to confirm. Now we have created the circle. The same circle has to be mirrored that side also. So select the circle. Select this mirror, select the center line, say OK. Now we have created these two circles. The center distance between the circle is 60 mm. From here to here, the distance is 60 mm. Press the roller to confirm. Now we have created this outer circle. Then we will create this center, this bottom line with a tangent connection. Here to here. Press the roller to confirm. Then we just want to offset this line with a 12 mm. Select this one. Select it here. This is 12. Say OK. Then we need to remove unwanted edges. Go to the trim. Remove this one. Remove this one. Remove this one. Just close it. Now we have finished the sketching. Then go for finish sketching. Extrude. Make it symmetric value. The total extrusion length is, here you can see 36. Specify the value of 36. Save OK. Just hide the sketch. Now we have created this feature. Then we will create one plate feature here. Just rotate it. Go for sketch. Select the surface. Save OK. Now we just want to take a line from here to here. Tangent connection. Press the roller to confirm, again press the roller to confirm. Then again take the circle from the center point. Create one circle. Similarly, from the center point, create one circle. Press the roller to confirm, again press the roller to confirm. Now take a line. Click it here. Here we need to make a tangent connection. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Now remove the unwanted edges using trim. Delete this one and delete this one. Then close this. Now sketch is fully defined. Go for finish sketch. Extrude. Not this direction. Change the direction. Not the material removal. Just go for the unite. Now thickness of the extrusion is 12 mm. Save OK. Now we have created this top feature. Then we just want to create this plate. The total length of the plate is 60. Now just rotate this here. Add the sketch. Now go for the sketch. Select the surface. Save OK. Now take this rectangle. Make sure you are in the entire assembly. Just create one rectangle here. Press the roller to confirm. Now specify the dimension. The total height from the center of the circle to bottom is 90. From here to here the distance is 90. Press the roller to confirm. Then width is 60. Press the roller to confirm. Then it has to be symmetric. To make that object symmetric, just want to create one line, press the roller to confirm, specify the dimension 142, then make this as a axis line, press the roller to confirm. Now take the symmetric one, this line and this line should be symmetric to this one. Save OK. Now here you can see sketch is fully defined. Then go for finish sketch, extrude, change the direction. Here unite, the total thickness of this plate is 12. Save OK. Now we have created this. Just hide the sketch one. Now we just want to create this rib. For that, go to the sketch, select the surface, say OK. Now take a line, this corner point and this corner point. Press the roller to confirm, again press the roller to confirm. Now we need to define the distance from here to here, which is 36. Here it is not connected. This point, entire assembly, here you can see sketch is fully defined. Then go for finish sketch, go for option called a rib. Here you can see rib is not generated, it's showing some error because the direction is different. Just change the direction, now it is generating the rib. The thickness of this support plate is 12, asymmetric, save OK. Now we have created this rib. Then we just want to create this feature here. For that, just go to the sketch again, select the surface, say OK, take a rectangle, just create one rectangle here and specify the dimension. From here to here the distance is 25 and this distance is 12 mm. 12. The same has to be done here also. Just create one more rectangle here. Take this rectangle, take this rectangle, should be a corner rectangle. Now this is equal to the length of this one. These both are equal. Then these both are equal. And the center distance between these two is 25. Now the sketch is finished. Finish the sketch. Go for extrude. Change this direction. And here we specify the value of 60. Press the roller to confirm. Now we have finished this also. Now we just want to make this hole. For that, go to the sketch again, select the surface, say OK. Now first we just want to create one axis line. This is, I'm just providing some value of 70. Press the roller. Then from here to here the distance is 25. Now make this as a construction line. Now take a rectangle, just create a rectangle. From here to here the distance is 22. Press the roller to confirm. And this distance is 9 mm. Press the roller to confirm. And this distance is 16 mm. 16. Now we just want to make this object symmetric. Just click it here. This one and this one. this line, and this line. Say OK. Now we just want to make a arc. Take this one, circle and center and ends. Here. Similarly, here. Press the roller to confirm. Now the sketch is fully defined. Now just go for the trim. Remove this one, remove this one, remove this one, and remove this one. Then close it. Then go for the finish sketch. Extrude. Change the direction. Here make it subtract. Here make it until next. Save OK. Now we have created this hole also. Finally, we just want to make two holes with a diameter of 18. Take this hole feature. Move your cursor to the edge of the previous circle. Similarly from here also. Yes. The diameter of the hole is 18. Normal to face. Until next. Subtract. Save OK. Then we just want to make a round here. For that, take the edge blend. Select this edge. Make the radius of 5. Just make it smaller than that. 2. The same has to be done here also. Just click here. And click here. Here it is making tangent. If you want to make curvature, you just make it like curvature. Now just say OK. Now we have created round also. Now just go to the right click, orient view, isometric. Now we have created all the features of this model. In that we have completed this tutorial. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.